Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to switch to a professional account on Instagram. If you're using Instagram and now you want to switch your account to a professional account, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your Instagram app and here just tap on your profile menu in the top bottom right corner, tap on it and here just tap on three dots in the top right corner and here just scroll down and go for the professional section. And here's that. You must have to tap on account type and tools and here just select switch to professional account and here you must have to next or continue some options. Here you just have to select what best describes you. I'm going to select artist from here, select that and here just tap on switch to professional account. So in this way you can easily switch your Instagram account to a professional account. So that's how you can easily switch your account to a professional account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.